Hi, this is my EDF 204 website and app presentation. So a little bit about me. I'm Lauren Wilson and my major is Deaf and Hard of Hearing Education with a concentration in middle grade English. I was an elementary education major and changed to this. So I would say my goal for teaching after the 2 years when I graduate would be to teach English at Kentucky School for the Deaf using ASL in an English classroom or language arts. So my website that I'm going to be presenting is PBIS World, and PBIS stands for Positive Behavioral Intervention and Supports. So here at the home page, you'll find interventions for any kind of behavior problem or characteristic activity that's maybe undesired that you could think of. So you've got disrespectful, maybe you have a child who is using inappropriate language, they're off task and disruptive, or maybe they lack social skills and have poor relationships with their peers. So if I click on a link for one of these like poor peer relationships, then it'll list some common characteristics and you have to answer yes or no, does this describe your student? So, do they have difficulty carrying on conversation? Do they have little to no interaction with others in kind of transition periods? And then if that describes your student, you click yes. If it doesn't, you click no. And then if you click on an intervention from this list, after it takes you to the next screen, then it's going to get even more specific. So you click yes on the checklist, goes to another screen, then you can click specific interventions that will benefit someone who has this behavior. So if I clicked one of those interventions like assigning a buddy or partner, then it's going to tell me why I should do it, when should I do it, and how do I do it. So it gives you step-by-step how to incorporate that intervention, not just identifying the intervention or describing it, but it's a step-by-step guideline. So some benefits of this is it benefits a number of students with a number in a number of ways. It can benefit those who have disabilities, maybe they're gifted and talented. The checklist that they provide could even help identify certain disabilities like ADHD. And here you see if I was to click hyperactivity, these are some interventions it would list me. So, it says before you try these interventions, you need to try multiple ones, collect some data, and here it just lists a few. Maybe give them headphones if they're having trouble concentrating or staying still. How close are they to other students? Do they need the assignment broken down more? Maybe they're not concentrating or moving around a lot because they don't understand the assignment. So this benefits that and provides specific interventions for it. And if a child's maybe gifted and talented, they could be the one that's getting out of their seat because the content isn't challenging them like it should. So then if you would click on child getting out of their seat on that home page, it would take you to interventions for that specific behavior. Here we have my app that I'm going to share with you all called StoryBots, and StoryBots can be used in a classroom setting. It can be used at home as a game, so it's for parents, teachers, and children. And the home screen gives you a variety of topics, and this really benefits younger kids, so pre-K through kindergarten, first grade. It's really great as an early intervention tool, and it gives you multiple resources, books, worksheets, videos, and you create your teacher backpack by moving, these activities to your backpack here. So I could move some from these different subjects, because when you click on the home screen, I can choose addition, I can choose alphabet, counting, dinosaurs, something fun even. And then from there, say I had clicked addition, then here when I scroll to the bottom of the screen, it's going to give me multiple addition games. Some challenging ones, some that are more beginner. So here you see you can click on those, it'll take you there. And then this is a screenshot from the app on your phone, so you can just click videos or books, and there's even a parent key or numbers they have to type in to show they're the parent, not the child, and they can edit it. So it's the app is more beneficial for parents and kids, but the website is more beneficial for teachers, which if you share something with the parent, then they can possibly see it on the app. And this will benefit students with disabilities, as having the book might benefit someone who's deaf and hard of hearing, and they have a harder time with English and its word order. If, say, they use ASL to communicate, then the videos with all the interaction and pictures might benefit them more. But the book may benefit them more, and the videos will benefit those who may have a reading or learning disability, because they may struggle with words, and if they have dyslexia, for example, they're not going to get as much out of the book as they will, a video. So, and the book has a feature where you can upload a picture of the child, of the student, so they feel like they're in the book, they're the main character. So that's a really interactive, fun feature, and as you go through the book, some of the words are more advanced vocabulary, but the pictures really help, so it can benefit pretty wide range of ages with the book. So that's all the presentations, and that's the end of the presentation. And these apps and websites are just really beneficial for teaching and a variety of students. Thanks for watching.